Study in Russia for free. If you apply now, by next year you should already be in Russia. This is possible through a scholarship called the Open Door. The Open Door Scholarship is a popular scholarship program that is being um, put in place every year for people of all nationalities so they can come to Russia and come and study for free. Okay, look at this. Russian Scholarship Project is your chance for tuition free education and research career in Russia. Now, the good thing is the application is open now. That is why you see this big application now button. The application is going to end 45 days from now. Okay. Now, if you scroll down, you can see that this scholarship opportunity is open to 185 countries. So that means if you're coming from Africa or other part of the world, you are eligible to apply. Okay. Now, there are several programs ranging from biotechnology, medicine, artificial intelligence, engineering, business, political science, and many more. 6,300 people will get this scholarship. 6,300 people and above will get this scholarship. Okay, now let's find out the programs that are available under the scholarship in more details. You could see applied mathematics and artificial intelligence. If you click on it, it will tell you more details about this particular program. Biology and biotechnology, business and management, chemistry and material science, clinical medicine and public health, computer science, earth, environmental science, economics, education and psychology, engineering and technology. Then we also have physical science, political and international studies, Russian language and culture, urbanism and civil engineering. These are the master's programs, or these are the programs available under this scholarship. Okay, now let's find out the universities you could actually choose. There are several Russian universities that are participating in this scholarship program. Like we have Far Eastern Federal University, we have Bomo Moscow State Technical University, First Moscow State Medical University, HSC University, right? There are several universities under this scholarship. And the best thing is during your application, you are allowed to select 3 universities. So you just have to, maybe you just go do your research, check the university, check their location in Russia, and check if it's somewhere you want to, stay or do your program. Like we have St. Petersburg, we have Samara University, Siberian Federal University, so many of them. Okay. Now, before I show you guys how to put in an application, now let's go through some frequently asked questions. Let's find out again. Will I have to pay a tuition fee? Your tuition fees will be covered by the government of the Russian Federation. You'll be responsible for covering travel and accommodation expenses, insurance, and personal costs. So your tuition fee is covered, right? And you also get monthly stipend. When it comes to your travel, let's say your flight tickets, your insurance, and other personal stuff, you have to cover it by yourself. Now the good thing is you get monthly stipend, right? Now the monthly stipend depends on the university that you will be with. Okay, they give you monthly stipend like pocket money every month. Use it and guide. You could use that monthly stipend to sort out bills while you are still working in Russia, while you are still working, while you are still studying. Okay, I don't know if that makes sense. Okay, let's find out again. Can I work while studying in Russia? You can work either remotely or offline, and no work permit is required. That is the best part about Russia. It's not like other countries where you have a study permit, then you have to apply for a work permit. Once no, this one, as long as you have a study permit, you are allowed to work, right? You can work in the school premises, you can work remotely, you can work anywhere, you can even work in the university itself. Now let's find out what language will you be studying in, because we are saying Russian, and some people will start thinking it's Russian. Look at this. Universities offer study programs in Russia or in English, depending on the institution. If your chosen program is available only in Russia and you need to improve your language skills, you may begin with a 1 year preparatory Russian language course. After completing it, your place in the study program will be secured for the following academic year. I don't know if that makes sense. So there are some programs that are taught in Russian and there are some programs that are taught in English. But if your particular course you're going for is taught in Russian, that means once you get in Russia, you do like a 1 year preparatory Russian language course. So that 1 year you're going to learn Russia. So once you are comfortable after the following year, then you start your program, right? I don't know if that makes sense. So that's basically it. After everything, you get a certification. So let's start our application. I just scroll up, then I click on the apply now button, right? This is where you want to put in an application. Now, the thing you want to do is you put in your email address. Now, once you put in your email address, a confirmation link will be sent to you. Then you start your application. During the process. If you have any question, feel free to let me know in the comment section. I'll also drop a direct link to this particular scholarship so you can have access to it. Don't forget, hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel because every day we share opportunities that will help you move abroad. These opportunities include scholarships, include conferences that are fully funded. They will pay everything, your flight ticket, includes fellowship, internship, jobs abroad, right? Anything that has to do with relocating abroad, you want to be glued to this channel. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Another update shared.